When I was 16 years old, this woman and this family changed my life. I was an exchange student in their home, and they couldn't have given me a better perception about the world beyond my home state or country. The Enkings own a small mill and bakery in the town of Emsbüren, Germany, where they have been making pumpernickel bread for 4 generations. Being able to take Tyler, my now husband, to meet such remarkable people to me was a very special day. We did not record our entire visit, but we did record the world-famous German bread, Pumpernickel.
Okay, when we go inside after 5 minutes, we will smell like a pumpernickel the whole day.
This is a first-hand look behind the scenes of the Enking Mühlencafé. So the Enkings have owned this cafe for 3 generations.
Of course, but she's not doing it.
But right now we're watching the process of making their famous pumpernickel bread. It's in the grocery stores here. I think it's a pretty big deal.
The pumpernickel goes for 30 minutes inside this machine, and then it is taken out by the machine into little blocks. If the blocks are not perfect consistency, they throw it back inside.
So some of the pieces are coming out looking like the first pancake. I think we can all agree what they look like coming out of the machine.
Ingredients inside the pumpernickel: water, oats, and salt. 3 ingredients, that's it. Stirring this mixture.
I don't know if you've ever had pumpernickel before, but it's like it looks like black bread and it's really oaty.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good.
I had never had it until I came to Germany. I don't like it that much, but I love the cake, so
I think you have to have like a
taste,
certain
a palate.
taste for it.
My mom loves it, Tyler loves it.
With some little
I like the cake.
some homemade strawberry jam.
Then they put these inside the oven once they are stacked very, very high. How long are they cooked?
24
hours?
24 hours.
Okay, it is black because it is cooked for 24 hours, and then it comes out and goes inside the freezer, and then is cut into pieces and packaged. And actually it is put back into the oven for 2 more hours, a total of 26 hours in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius. There is no chemicals, no preservatives.
Best thing to come out of making all this pumpernickel is the pumpernickel cake.
Into the whipped cream. The final steps in the kitchen. Whoa, I can smell it. It smells like our bodies. Papa Enking is on a roll. He hasn't messed up since 1970. How many cakes a day?
Yeah, so a week, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pumpernickel cakes.
Look at the preciseness. Wow. Look at that. That is how you make an Enking pumpernickel cake. By the masters. Here we are, deep down in Emsbüren, Germany, where the magic happens. Oh, I want the whipped cream machine. Christmas present. They have groups regularly coming in to see the mill and to have the cake and coffee. They have an older ladies who are coming in, and then Saturday a group of little kids from England that come regularly every year. And it's done.
Right now it's time to head, so I can open this door, okay, into the mill to see where the fine grains actually come from, because they store them in these 2 big silos that they have outside, and then they go up into the mill, get grinded, and then shut back down into the actual bakery house. I guess you can call it bakery house. I know him. You have to pull on this.
Very hard, push it and go this, and then the middle goes around. Very hard, twist it.
In the link down below, we have provided you guys graciously with a link to the Enking Mühlencafé.
Because you can't Google it or anything. If you're ever in the mood for some cake, okay, Northwest Germany, the best cafe, the best bakery,
That's the place to be.
The best cake.
Yes.
We've given it to you secretly on this channel.
And with that, thank you guys again for watching and subscribing. If you haven't done so, just go ahead and do it now, the little red button down there.
Please.
And we are also encroaching, we're getting close. I'm not saying encroaching, it's weird. We're getting close to 3,000 subscribers.
It's a huge deal for us. We're really so thankful for you guys for watching our channel, for subscribing like we ask a lot. And so because y'all are so wonderful, we're gonna give y'all a present if we reach 3,000 by January 1st. You, our viewers, will get to decide whatever you want us to do for our next big adventure inside of Bali.
Yes, there is Mount Agung, which is like the largest volcano here in Bali. We can hike that or go out for a couple days.
We can do anything you come up with.
Provisions, you know? Yeah.
Not anything, but you know.
We'll do it.
We're gonna make a video about that on January 1st if we reached our goal or not, and we can only reach our goal if you guys help on Facebook and Snapchat and Instagram sharing your favorite videos or just giving us a shout out. We'll love you forever for doing it. We love you so much for being here. This video is gonna be good, whatever it is.
It'll be a good one.
Because I have faith in you guys of coming up with really good ideas.
Be a little creative with your suggestions.
I hear that.
Okay, yeah. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it, and we will see y'all again
next Sunday.